Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to scan a QR code on Discord using your Android device. Scanning QR codes can be a quick and convenient way to connect with friends or join servers without needing to manually input codes. Let's get right into the steps. First, launch the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, head over to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture. Tap on it to access your user settings. Next, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping this will open the settings menu, where you can adjust various options for your Discord experience. Now, scroll down and find the option that says Scan QR Code. This feature allows you to quickly scan codes that others share with you. Tap on it to proceed. Once you tap Scan QR Code, you might be prompted to grant Discord permission to access your camera. If you see this prompt, go ahead and allow access. This step is crucial because the app needs to use your camera to scan the QR codes. And that's it. Once you've granted camera permission, you can simply point your device's camera at the QR code you want to scan. Discord will automatically recognize the code and take you to the relevant link, whether it's a server invite or a friend request. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Discord.